Hey guys, it's Sophie and I'm here with my friend.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And today we're going to be making slime. So the materials that we have are saline solution, baking soda, glue, and then I'm going to be doing mine blindfolded and Emily's going to be doing hers no thumb.
This literally, I cannot move my thumb at all.
And so I'm going to be doing mine blindfolded, and the back colors are gray, red, and orange, and the good colors are pink, blue, and purple. So, and then Emily has...
I have lavender.
And she has... This is optional for her, or me, it's glitter. So
I didn't do glitter.
You are?
Yeah.
So you do that after you pour the glue in, okay?
Okay.
And then she's going to be making fluffy slime, so she has her shaving cream. And she has her bowl, and I'm going to be making mine blindfolded, so hopefully I don't make a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to put this over my head, and Emily's going to test it and show a finger on her other hand, because I can't see through this.
Because this, yeah.
Okay, ready? Go. Do you have it?
Yeah.
4?
No.
Okay. Well, then I can't do it. Okay, so let's get started, guys. I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera.
Okay, so what do I do first?
Put in the glue, but not a lot.
Okay. This is hard. Can't use my thumb. Did it say I can't
Can
use
I
my
have the
face?
glue?
Oh, I'm using the glue. No,
I
I'm using
found
the
it.
glue. Hey. I'm gonna have to take a spoon out.
Oh, dang.
Okay.
I put my finger in glue. What am I supposed to do now?
I just made a mess, and I am not blindfolded. Okay. Here. Pour some in. Okay, my turn. You just poured a ton. You just poured a ton.
Okay. I'm really excited to see what this turns out as.
Okay, I forgot.
Okay, now.
Ooh, this is
it's
really
so hot
hard.
under here. It's so hot. Okay, let me find. Oh, dang it. It's coming.
This is really hard to do without a thumb. But
Oh, dang.
I did it. It's dripping all over me. It's dripping. Ah, it's dripping. It's dripping.
I need to find the big.
Dripping. Where should
I got
I?
it.
Okay, Liz. Have you got it? Liz?
By the way, Emily, you need a pinch of baking soda. And then you can add more.
The glue just tipped over.
The glitter?
The glue.
Oh. Oh, it's so hot under here.
Okay, there's the glue. Lid on. Lid on. I'll be right back, guys. I think stuff is going to be messy, so I'm going to grab a napkin.
Where are you going?
To the bathroom to grab a napkin.
Oh, there's tissues right here. You can just grab them.
Oh, duh.
I need to find them. Ew, did you put glue in this?
What?
The spoon? It's so icky.
No.
I feel like
Things
it's
are gonna get messy
everywhere,
here.
guys.
Okay. Continuing the one-handed no thumb challenge. So I put glue in.
Did you put a lot of glue? Because I didn't want you to.
What?
Did
No,
you
I
put a lot
didn't
of glue?
put a lot of glue.
Oh my god, it's so hot under here, you guys. You don't even know.
Okay. You put a lot of glue.
I did?
Yes, you put a ton.
Oh well.
Sophie, I'm blindfolded for a moment just to see how much I put in and how much you put in.
Only for this time, and then I'll continue. Oh. Okay.
Should I put in more?
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. So now mix up everything so I don't know where it is. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Don't.
I thought you said to put in more.
Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Dripping.
Okay.
So that's enough.
There we go.
Sophie, look what you just did.
Okay. Now mix up everything so I don't know where it is. Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I look like an alien. Comment down below if I look like an alien, guys. Okay. Mix up everything so I don't know where it is.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I finished with baking soda. My bowl's still here.
Okay, what do I do next, Sophie?
What did you just put in?
Glue.
Okay. Now 2 pinches of baking soda.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so hard.
I'm so hot. I promise I can't see, guys. Don't worry.
Guys, you pinch with your thumb. Look what I am having to do.
Oh, what color do I want? Oh, gosh. This is hard. Oh, there's yarn. That was from another
One
craft.
pinch.
Which one do I want, guys?
2
Tell me.
pinch.
Which one do I want, guys?
Oh gosh. Okay. You picked
Do I pick
2
a
bad
random?
colors and 2 good colors are in your hand
Oh,
right
dang.
now.
That stinks.
So choose one.
I'm gonna choose this one. You can't tell me.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. I feel like this is gray. I don't even know if it's coming out.
It's not. Okay, I just added 2 pitchers of baking soda with my 2 fingers. That was
I feel
really
like there's
hard.
nothing in here. Is there any color?
Yeah, there's color.
Oh, dang.
Wait, show the audience.
Oh,
That's the
dang.
color she got.
Oh, dang. I'm really scared.
Good for you, Sophie. Okay, what do I do after the 2 pitchers of baking soda?
By the way, guys, why Emily's asking is she doesn't know how to make slime, so that's why.
Okay, what do I do after the 2 pitchers of baking soda?
Shaving foam.
Wait, what about color?
Oh, you're supposed to do that at the beginning.
You didn't tell me.
I'm sorry.
Guys, witness. She did not tell me.
Okay, now I need
Okay.
saline
How do
solution.
you open a paint bottle
I
without
found
your
one.
thumb?
Guys, I found it. I am almost done with my slime.
What? So I do color and glitter, right?
Color, then shaving foam.
Okay. So how do you open this without your thumb?
Is that? Oh, dang. Oh, God.
Okay, I'm trying to open this without my thumb.
Oh, I thought that paint was open.
Ow, that really hurts my chin.
What did you do to your chin?
Trying to open the paint bottle.
Guys, I'm really excited to see what this video looks like because I feel like my slime is either...
You know what, Sophie? Please open this for me. I can't do it.
This?
It's impossible.
There you go.
And it's giving me a chin burn.
It's impossible for her because she doesn't have any thumbs.
This is really hard.
Ew, mine's still really bad.
Oh gosh, I can't hold it stable, so as I'm mixing, it's turning around and around and around. But it's pretty, it's really pretty.
That's good. Oh, dang it. I feel like I put so much... Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I just did color shaving cream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, guys, look at the color. Isn't it so pretty? And then look compared to Sophie's.
Oh, now mine's a bad color. That's good.
Yes.
Guys, is it slime yet? I don't think so. I think I need still more.
Oh, I actually did it. I opened it.
Opened what?
The shaving cream bottle with my thumbs.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, time to go on the table.
Okay.
Is there anything on the
How
table?
do you... Okay, pause for a second. Pause, because I don't really know how you work this shaving cream, because I have a different type of shaving cream, so...
You just... Where's the shaving cream?
There.
Where?
Here. Oh my gosh! You just did it all over the table!
Oh, seriously?
Yes! Seriously!
Pick it up, then.
I will... Oh, right. Forgot, guys.
No! I feel like mine's gray. I don't want it to be. Otherwise, it's an orange, because orange is my least favorite color. I feel like mine's ready
Okay.
to be touched. Ew.
I think I put in too much shaving cream.
I think I put too much saline solution.
Okay. Since you're done now, you can open up.
Alright, I'm scared.
Oh!
My hair.
Sophie, did I put too much?
No, you need way more.
Of the shaving cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. My hair's a mess. Look at mine.
Okay. Bringing it over. Bringing it over.
My hair's a mess.
Pick it up. Tell me when to stop.
You need to shake it first.
Oh, seriously?
That's why it's so wet.
This is hard to hold. Okay. I shook it.
Mine's pretty good. It's just still a tad bit sticky, so...
Okay,
have to
I feel like that's enough.
No, you need way more.
I do?
Yeah, it needs to be at the top of the bowl.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really hard to hold without my thumbs,
Here,
guys.
I'll help you. I'll help you.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Oh, wait, no, I almost got it. Seriously? Oh, well, thank you, but... Still more?
This is really wet.
Still more?
Yeah.
That's a lot of shaving cream.
Okay, there we go. That's good.
Okay.
Mine's actually pretty decent. It's really stretchy.
Wow, that is really cool.
I did not think it would turn out like this.
This is
It's a
really
small
hard
batch.
to do without your funds, guys. Sophie, could you hold it still? Because I can't mix it without.
The bowl.
Yeah. Please hold it still.
1 second.
I mean, look at that.
My hair is a mess. I hate it.
You know what, guys? I can't do this. I'm doing it with other hand just for now. Oh, well, Sophie's doing it for me.
You need to add
More?
no, more paint.
Oh, okay.
Mine's great.
Oh, did I just get that on my
hate
hat?
mine.
Okay, no.
At least it's really stretchy. Okay. Oh, that's so much! She poured like the whole bottle, guys. Look at hers; it's so watery. Her slime's not gonna turn out well.
That's what you told me to do. I was instructed by her the whole time. This is not my fault, guys. No.
Okay, stop. Let me mix. You're not a good slime maker.
I'm a great slime maker if I know what to do, and I don't have a person who's crazy telling me what to do.
I'm not crazy.
Yeah, you are. So, comment down below if you think Sophie's crazy.
I don't think I am. Okay, mix.
Is that enough?
No, keep mixing. Keep mixing. Oh my god, I hate.
Oh my gosh, it almost fell off the table.
No! I got shaving cream in mine from helping Emily.
Okay, can you? Okay. Holding it still. No. Okay. My phone came out done.
Go, I got it.
Okay, now I really can't.
Ew!